Sharks, it's Miss Amanda from the library. I'm so excited to show all of you our digital library, also known as Sora. You can find it on your clever home screen. In order to access our digital library and the Sora app, you'll want to log into your Clever account. From the home screen, scroll down to the bottom until you find More Apps. There, you'll discover our new Sora app. When you select it, you should automatically be logged in. In case you aren't automatically logged in, your username is your student ID and your password is 123CMP. You are now logged into our digital library. There are over 430 different books for you to explore and check out. We have audiobooks like Diary of a Wimpy Kid or Harry Potter. We have graphic novels and fiction and all kinds of things that I think you guys will totally enjoy. The first thing I recommend you do is explore. Check out all the cool books. If you find a book that you really like, click on it. You can get some information about the book, and if you want to check it out, all you have to do is press the borrow button. The book is then downloaded to your device. Once it's downloaded, you can read it. Let's say you decide you don't like the book anymore. You can come down to your shelf and check out your options and return it. Then you can go and find another book. From here, you can check out one book at a time, but you can return it and check out a new one quickly. What if you've read all of the books we have in our library? Then you have the option to add additional libraries to your Sora app. We come back to our home screen and we come up here to where it says California Montessori Project Carmichael. Select the little down arrow and add a library. You can type in Sacramento Public Library and add it to your device. From here, you can now have access to over 40,000 books that the Sacramento Public Library has to offer. It's the same process. You just click on a book and check it out. If you guys have any questions, send me an email at awaller@cacmp.org. I hope you all enjoy the digital library.